This is example lesson 3.1, example 2. We are determining the greatest common factor of 18 and 30. The greatest common factor is exactly what it says on the tin. It is a factor of both 18 and 30, and it's the biggest one they have in common. Greatest common factor, or GCF for short. So I have already found all the factors of 18. I did this just by going through each number. 1, yes, 1 times 18. 2, 18 is an even number, so of course. 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, yep. And that was 3 times 6, 6 times 3, then up to 9, and then all the way up to 18. 18 has 6 factors, including 1 in itself. Let's find the factors of 30. 30 does not start with a 1. 30 starts with a 3. So, 30. 1, of course, goes in. 2, 30 is an even number, so yes. 3, yes, of course. 3 plus 0 is 3. That's a trick for whether or not something is divisible by 3. If you add the digits, in this case 0 plus 3, and it's divisible by 3, then the number itself is divisible by 3. 1 plus 8 is 9, so 18 is divisible by 3. Anyway, yes, 3 does. 4 does not. 4 goes into 32 times 8, but not 30. 5 does. It ends in a 0 or a 5, therefore 5 goes into it. 5 goes into it, and then next number is 6, and 6 times 5. So I'm actually on the downhill slope here. Every number from here on out is going to match up with a number we've already have. 5 matches with 6. So the next number is whatever 3 times this next number is going to be 30. In this case, it's going to be 10. And then 2 times 15. And then 1 times 30. I can take a list of factors and split them in half. I could split this in half right here between the 5 and the 6. And each one would match 5 and 6, 3 and 10, 2 and 15, 1 and 30. Those are all factors of 30. Now my goal is to find the most common one, the greatest common one, the biggest number that they have in common. They both have 1 in common, but it's not the greatest. They both have 2 and 3, but not the greatest. Does not have 5. 6 is common. Let's see if they have anything higher. 8 or 9, 18? 9 or 18? No. No. So the greatest common factor in this case is 6. Our GCF equals 6.